Hi everyone, today I'm so excited to share with you my absolute favorite marbles that have completely transformed my space. First off, we have the Elegance Aquario marble. It's a classic choice that adds a touch of luxury to any room. I chose it because of its timeless beauty, perfect for kitchen slab or even as stunning flooring. Imagine the sophistication it could bring to your space. Next on my list is the Mango Onyx marble. The unique patterns and warm tones immediately caught my eyes. It's not just a marble, it's a statement piece. I picked it because it adds a touch of personality to my surroundings. Whether you implement it in your kitchen or in your walls, it's sure to turn heads. Now let's talk about the mesmerizing blue shade. It brings a refreshing and calm vibe to any room. I chose it for its ability to create a scenic atmosphere. Last but not the least, the Botanic Green. The green shade marble. Its rich earthy hues create a sense of connection with nature. Why did I choose it? Because it brings a sense of tranquility and balance. Consider using it to your flooring, to your ground, your space, or a unique touch to your walls. That's all for today. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite and follow for more. Ciao.